a motorcycle that was neither a completely traditional cruiser nor a custom-built garage chopper. The Yamaha Stryker rolled out of the factory with an attitude all its own, one you could recognize from a distance. A long-stretched fuel tank, low-slung body, raked-out front end, and that muscular 1,304cc V-twin made the Stryker almost impossible to mistake for anything else. But then, quietly, the Stryker name disappeared from Yamaha's lineup. And now the big question is, if Yamaha brings the Stryker back for 2027, can it preserve the raw chopper-inspired personality of the original, or will modern technology completely change its character? Because a Stryker comeback wouldn't simply be the return of an old motorcycle. It could mark Yamaha's bold return to the factory custom cruiser segment. Today we're going to explore what a possible 2027 Yamaha Stryker could look like, which parts of its original design absolutely need to be preserved, and what modern upgrades could make this legendary style cruiser relevant once again. And to understand that possibility, we first need to look at what made the Yamaha Stryker so special in the first place. Because this motorcycle wasn't just another V-twin cruiser. Yamaha introduced it at a time when many riders loved the long, low, and aggressive appearance of custom choppers, but not everyone wanted the cost and complications that came with owning a custom-built motorcycle. The Stryker filled that gap perfectly. Custom-inspired styling combined with factory-built reliability. From the very first glance, its design told its own story. Up front, the stretched-out raked front end, long wheelbase, and low seating position gave the Stryker a dramatic presence on the road. Even the fuel tank wasn't shaped like a typical cruiser tank. Its stretched profile naturally carried the body line toward the rear fender, giving the entire motorcycle a smooth and continuous flowing silhouette. And that is exactly the kind of design identity Yamaha should be extremely careful not to lose with any possible 2027 Yamaha Stryker. The rear section was just as important. The low rear fender, wide-looking rear tire, and sweeping chrome exhausts gave the Stryker a true factory custom presence even when viewed from behind. Yamaha didn't need unnecessary body panels or oversized fairings to make this motorcycle stand out. The engine, frame, fuel tank, and chrome were all part of the design itself. And then we come to the heart of the Stryker, its 1,304cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. That displacement wasn't there, simply to put an impressive number on the specification sheet. The character of a motorcycle like this comes from strong low and mid-range response, relaxed cruising, and that unmistakable V-twin feel. The Stryker's shaft drive setup also added a practical touch to its cruiser personality. Riders essentially got a motorcycle that looked like a custom machine, while still offering the convenience of everyday factory-built ownership. And that's exactly why, if a 2027 Stryker ever becomes a reality, Yamaha's biggest challenge won't necessarily be winning a horsepower race. The real challenge will be preserving everything that made the original Stryker feel like a Stryker. Imagine that same long and low silhouette, the same muscular fuel tank, the same stretched front-end attitude, and that original flowing rear profile, but with paint quality and detailing brought up to modern Yamaha standards. Deep metallic finishes, piano black components, and mirror-polished chrome could make this design look right at home on a modern showroom floor without making it feel outdated. And perhaps that is the Stryker's greatest strength. Yamaha wouldn't need to completely reinvent this motorcycle to bring it back. It would simply need to understand and preserve the personality that made the original so distinctive. But keeping the design authentic is only half the story. Because if the Stryker is going to be genuinely competitive for riders in 2027, it would also need some important improvements in technology, safety, and everyday usability. And this is where the story of a possible 2027 Yamaha Stryker gets even more interesting. And this is where Yamaha would need to be especially careful. A 2027 Yamaha Stryker would certainly need to become more modern, but not so modern that it loses the factory custom personality that made the original special. The beauty of the Stryker has always been its simplicity. So in a possible comeback, technology shouldn't dominate the motorcycle. Instead, it should quietly work in the background to make the riding experience better. Let's start with the engine. The original Stryker's 1,304cc liquid-cooled V-twin was a major part of its identity. If Yamaha follows the same philosophy with a future model, the focus shouldn't simply be on producing more horsepower. A better approach would be smoother fuel injection, more refined throttle response, stronger usable torque, and engine tuning designed to meet modern emissions requirements. For a cruiser rider, the real enjoyment isn't necessarily racing away from every traffic light. It's about opening the throttle, feeling that effortless pull, and enjoying relaxed power out on the highway. The transmission and drivetrain would also need to preserve that original character. The Stryker's shaft drive setup helped make ownership simple, and a low-maintenance drivetrain could remain an excellent choice for a revival model. Yamaha could also make the clutch lighter and smoother, making a heavyweight cruiser easier and less tiring to handle during everyday city riding. Safety is one area where a 2027 model could genuinely move beyond the original Stryker. ABS would be one of the most meaningful upgrades, while traction control could provide additional confidence when riding a powerful cruiser on wet or slippery roads. But the controls should remain simple. Filling the Stryker with buttons, complicated menus, and unnecessary electronic settings would go against the straightforward personality of the motorcycle. Lighting could also be modernized without changing the classic shape. A full LED headlight, LED indicators, and LED taillight could provide modern visibility while maintaining the Stryker's familiar appearance. Yamaha could preserve the character of the original round headlight while installing modern LED technology inside it. From the front, it would still look unmistakably like a Stryker. Just with lighting performance appropriate for 2027, Yamaha should follow the same philosophy with the instrument cluster. A huge tablet-style display simply wouldn't look natural on this motorcycle. Instead, a compact digital or TFT display could provide essential information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, remaining range, trip information, and basic navigation prompts. Smartphone connectivity and USB-C charging could also be useful additions. But keeping the cockpit clean and uncluttered would be essential. For longer rides, cruise control could be another genuinely useful upgrade. Improve the seat cushioning, give the suspension a little more compliance, and bring the braking performance up to modern standards, and the Stryker wouldn't have to remain just a weekend showpiece. It could become a much more comfortable machine for everything from city streets to long stretches of open highway. But despite all these potential upgrades, there is one thing that absolutely should not change: the Stryker's stance. The long wheelbase, low seat, stretched fuel tank, raked-out front end, muscular V-twin presence, and flowing rear profile should immediately tell you that you're looking at a Stryker. If Yamaha can preserve that shape while intelligently integrating modern technology, a future Stryker could give longtime fans the nostalgia they want while offering newer riders the convenience they expect. And perhaps the most interesting part is that Yamaha doesn't need to turn it into a Harley-Davidson copy or transform it into some futuristic cruiser. The Stryker already has an identity of its own. It simply needs to be carefully polished for the modern era. So now the real question isn't for Yamaha, it's for the riders. If you walked into a showroom and saw that same long, low, aggressive Stryker, now equipped with modern safety technology, refined V-twin performance, and updated features, would you want to see the 2027 Yamaha Stryker back on the road?